is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
All right. Welcome back. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How is everyone today?
Nervous.
Well, go on.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How was your morning, beautiful people?
Good. I was in a set position, but I got out early.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
Guys.
So, quickly, we're going to jump into the technicals. Now, this morning, I sent out an analysis that price would break out from this wedge, which resulted in over 100 pips. Lucky, but unfortunately, I got stopped out because my stop loss was too tight. But I've seen many of you catch this drop, which is good. Now, the question is, should we put a buy order right now because it's just massaging the pivot support level 1? What do you think, guys?
Maybe a small one.
Me, I think it can go up until 1830.
1830. Yeah, that's just about the weekly pivot point. Now, usually I don't really recommend to jump into impulse buys. So let's wait for the next hourly candle. But if it leaves without me buying, I'm going to be pissed off.
Yeah, that's...
But, you know, this impulse selling, you know, it can go much, much lower. So maybe it's best to wait and see what's going to happen.
You can try it.
I truly think it can go...
Sorry, I'm talking. Bilal, I'm sorry, Bilal.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No, I have nothing smart to say. Sorry.
All right. So how is the... Did anyone catch US 30 and Nasdaq yesterday with me?
Yeah, both of them.
That was a sick trade, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But you know what I'm
You're
pissed
like
off?
the-
I'm pissed off because of Euro USD. That was fucking insane. I mean, I forecasted the drop, which was, you know, 175 pips, but this dirty move just closed me out. That was annoying. Pips, but this dirty move just closed me out. That was annoying.
Mas,
Yes.
why don't you go inside for long with the 0.1 or 0.01 lots? Just for the conversation. The pip counter still count the same.
The reason for that is because many people would take it as, you know, go buy full margin.
Okay. You got inside, so I jump in. Like, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you have hard time of trading for you.
Yeah, because I know some people, they, you know, oh, Tomasz is buying. I'm gonna go full margin. That's not good. I have responsibility now. make sure that, you know, people are managing risk, not jumping into impulsive buys, just as I would now. But luckily, Beefy and the other guys just said don't buy. Let's see. So the weekly support level is just at this red line. And I'm gonna switch to trading view because it's easier to chart. So yeah, that's the price level I'm watching now, but how good is the pivot? Is it going to reverse? Let's have a look on the RSI. Let's see what do we have. I'm sure it's going to say extremely oversold. Yeah, it is. So now we have two confirmations. You know what? I'm gonna jump in with a little buy, just with one lot, placing stop loss at 1830.
I think it's tight 1830.
No, I think it's reasonable. Okay, so I jumped in, just only a tiny lot. So whoever is buying or selling, please. My risk is minuscule. It's tiny, so make sure you manage the same risk.
There's also divergence on the RSI.
There you go. Chintan gave me a third reason to enter. Thank you, Chintan. How are you?
All well. How are we doing?
Not too bad, not too bad.
Great.
Oh, 4 pips in profit, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, so exciting. Oh, someone else opened a buy.
Tomasz.
Raim. How you doing, my man?
Good, Tomasz, good. You?
Yeah, very good, thank you.
Nice.
Don't advertise on
Ooh,
Google Ads.
it's a bit loud. Finally, Friday. What plans do you have for the weekend, guys?
You know my plan.
Yeah, private party with yourself.
Yeah.
Alright, come on guys on YouTube, smash that like button. There's only 61 people liked the video. It's not nice. Oh, and gold is tanking. Oh, that was an impulsive buy. Or maybe not. New hourly candle just opened. Is the position going to hold or break down? In the meantime, let's have a look on US 30. That's running in 13,000 points. Well, it's two positions, so it's cumulative, it's double, so you have to divide it by 2, but it's still it's looking good, especially with this big ass candle right there. Now you can see I'm going to switch back to trading view for a second because the charting is much better. We have CPI is coming up in 31 minutes, 30 minutes actually. So let's discuss strategy for the day. Now gold obviously is gold. I think if the reading is above the anticipated 8.3%, which is in line with the previous reading, then 100% goodbye. There's no question about it. If it's just in line with expectation, well, you know, I think it's still a buy. If it's lower than expected, so inflation is, you know, decreased, it didn't stop, it just decreased. The rate of change have changed. I would just wait. But still, I do recommend for everyone who's trading CPI today, as soon as you're happy with the profit, close it down and just walk away. Do not trade longer because I wanted to show you something from the last CPI reading. The last CPI reading was back in 11th of May. And you can see how nicely...
Yeah, I remember this one.
Yeah, gold was, you know, dropping, and then boom, suddenly 270 pips to the upside. But then what happened is... Wagwan. And then it dropped 727 pips. Obviously, yields were going up, dollar was strengthening, so many reasons. And the Chinese lockdown, we had some news coming out. So this is why it's important that CPI is breaking down. It's not as good as before, and I highly advise that, you know, if you trade today, close down the position as soon as you're happy with the profit and just scalp. Now, we have knowledge on CPI because we do follow CPI quite thoroughly for the past years. So this is what I recommend. Make sure that, you know, you're happy with the profit, close it down. All right? The next one I want to talk about is... Oh, Mr. Gelmers. That's a big fucking dog.
Hey, do I have my camera? Jackie!
Say hi.
He don't talk. He
Big,
only
big
bites.
dog.
He
Big
only
dog
bites.
Raoul.
Wait, I closed the gate.
Don't lose the dog. Close down that back door. Imagine he would go with the car with the door open at the rear. Poor dog. And welcome back.
No, not yet.
I think this comes with the age when you forget the door and things.
And now we'll be back. Is it me?
All right. So, we have 25 minutes left to CPI. We discuss gold and what do I expect on gold. I would recommend just to scalp now. Yesterday was quite a nightmare to trade gold. It was just bouncing up and down. Now on stock markets, on indices, what I see is obviously we catched a really nice move yesterday, resulting in, you know, over 6,000 points on US 30 as well as Nasdaq. And now I'm expecting further downwards movement. The reason for this is obviously from a fundamental perspective, we know exactly how inflation is affecting the stock market. The cost of input, the cost of production, the cost of borrowing, every cost is going up. That's eating into the profitability of companies. The model valuation of the companies will change that the analysts recommend to investors and you know, high net worth individuals, and that will make stock market and individual stocks unattractive as compared to gold and bonds, for example, which will lead to a sell-off. Now, if you look at the technicals to see whether it confirms my theory, you can see exactly that finally we broke out from this consolidation and wedge with an impulse move to the downside. Now, usually every impulse move follows by a retracement, and I was expecting a pullback to the pivot, which is highly possible depending on the CPI reading. We could have a whiplash to the upside, but in the longer term, stocks should go downhill. Exactly for the reasons what I'm explained. Now, from the technical point of view, there is a possibility it's going to just bounce off from this price level. I cannot see the future, unfortunately, yet. It's still, you know, developing that skill, but we'll see. So two possible entries, going up and then down, or just going to tank from the current price level, because I don't know whether it's going to go up or down. From now, I'm going to lock in some profits and close down some of the positions we have open since yesterday. Who else have positions open in US 30 and Nasdaq?
I'm out. I'm out.
You closed it. Okay. So
Yeah, it's I have a daily target. When the position reached to my target, I say, thank you, God. I'm happy with what I have.
I check if I can close down. Oh yes, I can close down, and I can open 0.2. Well, it's weird because I cannot open 0.2, but when I close down the position, I can close in, you know, half a lot or more. Yeah, even on Nasdaq, that's brilliant. So Arslan Sayad, no, Sherkan. Hello, friend. We also a fan of him from Pakistan. Many people like the Alpha Effects. Awesome. We have Pakistani members in the team, in the community. Thank you so much. Arslan Sayed says, hello, Tamash. And Arslan Sayed just said, Tomasz, please some guideline for beginners. Why is gold called inflation hedging metal? Can you please explain how to trade CPI? What is the relationship of gold with CPI? Well, I think the easiest one, if you do some research and just read up, what is the relationship? There is a really good website that explains. It's called Sunshine Profits. Yeah. It gives you a brief understanding about the relationship of gold and inflation. Now, gold is often quoted as the best inflation hedging asset for centuries. Many investors have been using it because gold has different functions, store of value, and during inflationary periods, your money is worth less. Investors' money is worth less. Therefore, they return to assets which can protect their money from diminishing. And I'm wondering, yeah, that's all pretty much. But recently, because gold has a natural enemy, which is bond yields, that gold doesn't bear any interest or yield, as opposed to government bonds in the US, which can bring you 3 to 4% yield or return. Many investors prefer, another safe haven asset, so there is a competition. But it doesn't mean that gold cannot go up, and if the CPI reading comes up really negative, i.e. higher than expected, which is worst, then in the short term, intraday, you can easily catch 100 to 300 pips because gold is going to fly. But in the longer term, as I showed you in the previous chart, gold could return to a bearish continuation. What are you expecting for the CPI reading, guys? I was reading an article, and even Mohamed El-Erian, which is one of my favorite economists, he's really down to earth. He's got some, street knowledge. He's a good guy. Even he mentioned that inflation hasn't peaked yet, so the readings are going to be worse than expected.
I saw a post from somebody in the group who mentioned that even Joe Biden himself said the readings are going to be worse and worse.
Absolutely.
I think we go up with gold today.
Oh yeah. If Raul says it, I'm all in. Buy.
It's,
Go
I think
all in,
we.
Raul.
I think we manipulate it down now and preparing for a bull run. But that's my thought.
That's what I think too.
Yeah, maybe
You see,
catching up some liquidity.
Often before you see the opposite move. If the numbers are better, then we see, then we go down to 1800, I think. Low 1800.
Yeah, I do agree with that.
But I'm still waiting you develop your skills to see in the future, Thomas.
Yeah.
I trust you, brother.
Absolutely. So, okay, we have 15 minutes until the launch. Now, it would be wise to close down the positions on the US 30. I'm just gonna have a final look on the charts. Yeah, I'm going to close down my US 30 positions and Nasdaq as well. US 30 closed. Okay, I'm going to leave that tiny gold buy on the table and want to see how the market is going to react.
Hi,
And-
Thomas.
Hi, Ali.
Don't you think that 1830 is a tight stop loss? Actually, it's just like 20 pips from the low.
Let me just double check. Yeah, considering that the previous weekly low was at 1828, it's yeah. Do you recommend to widen my stop loss?
I thought Thomas was opening the position just as a test.
Yeah, I'm definitely using a wider stop loss.
Yeah, it's wise during high volatile events. What is your forecast, Ali?
Well, to be honest with you,
Well, I think you have a interference. Your mic is really bad. The line. And we have 12 minutes until the CPI data printing. And I have a question to your beloved viewers on YouTube. It's a simple math. 328 minus 120. That gives us 228 in it. That is the amount of people who are watching the stream but didn't press the like button. So if you want to keep the stream going on, just do it once. It is down somewhere here, the like button. Just hit it once.
So 228 is the number of people maintaining gold down.
Yeah, because what is the correlation between gold and the number of likes, Roland? It's
Gold
positive,
going
isn't
up
it?
is equals to K number of likes.
That's 100% correct. It's scientifically proven. Ooh, and gold is heading to the previous weekly low. Let's see US 30. US 30 is going up. Are you guys trading today for CPI? Or just observing?
No trade.
No trade.
No, I'm already
Of course I'm
in
gonna trade.
for the buy on gold.
Yeah, we trading today, Thomas.
Did your wife ask whether you placed the stop loss or not? Oh, I see Sam is ready as well. He's not driving today, not working. He got ready for the CPI. Oh,
Oh my god, please, guys.
let me find who was this. Chat. M 2022. Well, you buddy are going to the waiting room.
I hope that was not a stop loss hit.
That sound? Not sure. I think it just
That
burped.
should be a margin call sound. That kind of sound, I mean.
I still need to change my my sounds like Thierry did. That's hilarious. When stop loss hits, a woman just screams. And
If
now
you
we
have
up.
any neighbors, I think you will have some issues with them. They will just start wondering what you're doing during your day.
Say that again, sorry.
If you activate that sound about take profit, and if you ever have some neighbors, they will start eyeing you like, oh, this disgusting man. Like, they don't even know what you are doing.
Yeah.
That's
Absolutely.
the best part, mystery.
So, quick question. I would be more confident of focusing on one asset, which should be gold. Which one do you want to see, guys? TradingView or MetaTrader?
TradingView.
Trading view, Thomas.
TradingView.
All right. So, on TradingView, I am placing a buy position. Stop loss, it's personal preference, individual decision. As Ali said, and many of you, keep it wide. Leave some room for gold to wiggle, because it will definitely wiggle. There is also a possibility that, price is going to make a dirty move down just to tap into the previous weekly low and then skyrocket up, but we don't know what is the number going to be on the CPI data printing. So make sure that, you actively manage your risk. Eight minutes. prepare for takeoff. By the way, today's stream is going to be a little bit shorter than usually because it's Friday and I have a shit ton of things to do. So I'm estimating to finish 30 minutes after the CPI reading, if you're okay with that.
Sure.
Sure, Thomas.
Thank you very much. Now it's approved.
We always appreciate your time, even whatever.
I see Bram buy limit was activated at 1832. I think that's a good entry. Let's see, where was the previous weekly low? 1830. I'm going to place a buy limit to 1830. What do you think, guys?
I think it's a very wise idea.
Stop loss 1825. I'm going to just test it.
25 you put the stop loss?
Yeah, but I'm going to check how much money it is. Oh, shit. 1830, 1825.
I put it at 1828, you know, just under the weekly close.
Yeah, 1828. Yeah, 1828 is reasonable.
Because, you know, if it breaks it, I think this is gonna... Yeah, I would rather not stay on the market.
Okay, so buy limit 1830, stop loss 18. Even, you know what, 1827, that is going to be my stop loss. Or 1826, yeah, somewhere around below 1828, definitely. Take profit is open. As soon as you make money, close it down. Gigi and Matty responded to the sound of MetaTrader that, you know, the stop loss is the screaming women. And he says, as long as you don't have that moaning woman, the other day I was near my dad. Thank you, Thomas. Such an embarrassment. I think you talking about this sound. All right. And 3 minutes, 2 minutes until the core and the CPI data printing. What are you guys expecting? Is it going to be higher than expected, in line with expectation? Or inflation is suddenly gone?
Not go suddenly, man. What's happening is amazing in the whole world. It's not going down, especially with the food resources getting scared
Absolutely.
by the time, so the prices are going up and people won't be able to afford to get their food.
And do you know where it's going to lead? Riots.
Yeah.
Uprise.
Especially now if they're gonna go with the interest rate hike again.
I think in Europe especially, because you know there was already some tensions. And right now with no food, this is going to be worse.
One minute until takeoff. And price already started pushing a little bit higher. I'm wondering if I should increase my risk a little bit.
Yeah, because the buy limit haven't been touched yet.
Yeah, I have a buy, but it's only one lot, so it's still good money.
Yeah.
If it goes up. That would mean a profit of £934. I mean, if anyone gives me £934 any day of the year, I would happily take it. And we have a few seconds, 3 seconds. Oh, buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. It hit my buy limit.
Yeah, me too, I think. I don't know if it has been triggered or not. Yeah.
Yeah, it's triggered on mine.
Because I don't see mine triggered yet.
That dirty move downside. Fuck off, gold. Come on. Hold on. What was the... Yeah, definitely use a wide stop loss. Okay, so my buy limit was triggered at 1830. And I'm just going to observe. Are you guys in?
Yes, I mean...
Yep, already booked some profit.
Wow, nice.
My fucking MetaTrader
Froze
crashed,
down.
man. What the heck?
Yeah, it's just too busy.
Yeah,
I'm gonna...
My brokers too.
Oh, why? Gold, don't do this. Don't do this. Fuck, I hate to move my stop loss, but this dirty move,
yeah.
Just disgusting.
What the numbers are?
8.6.
Okay.
I'm going to enter with another buy. Stop loss 18.25. So I have 3 positions now. Just too tight stop loss.
What the fuck?
Seriously, it's so annoying.
The data came out in favor of US dollar.
That's it. A little bit higher. Come on, gold. You can do it. You can do it. So currently running in minus 100 pips. The cumulative 3 positions. Let's see if we can turn it around. Chris sold at 1832. It's a good sell. Let's see how long I'm going to hold it. Come on, gold. Push it up, push it up, push it up. Okay, 1 position running in profit. I think, yeah, minus 300 pounds. Oh, 2 positions, almost running in profit. That's it, good girl. Keep pushing higher. Two positions running in profit now. How are your positions, guys?
Same as yours, man.
In profit?
Break even right now.
Break even. Okay, okay, that's good.
It's playing with a break even and a very light drawdown. The numbers worse than expected.
Yeah, 8.6. So I've seen in the chat on YouTube someone said that the data was actually good because it was green, but no, man, you're reading the data incorrectly. If it's higher than expected, then it's bad because inflation is, yes, it's higher, it's better than the previous one in terms of, you know, it's a greater number, but, you know, would you accept if prices are going up and your money is worth less? No, therefore it's worse than expected. Core CPI is 0.6, which is actually quite surprising that I was expecting a little bit higher. But that shows actually that the CPI, so still the food and the energy prices are causing majority of the inflation in the US.
Hey Thomas, hoe gaat het?
Hoe gaat het? Who are you? Percy?
Yeah. Yeah, just joined.
Good.
Thanks, thanks. I'm drinking some... Ik drink wat koffie nu.
Good. I had a coffee
Percy,
too.
my man!
Hey man!
Hi.
Oh, the same thing happened to me today again with me. Next week I really have to do it different. I always go for the 10 pips, so I did a good short on 49. And now that I'm looking at the charts, it dropped to 26. Like, wow. So I was out at 48.
Good.
Spreken mij hier Nederland?
Running 1,500 pounds in profit.
Wow!
Whoa.
And now we up 100 pips. Yes, 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 ladies and gentlemen.
Come on.
Oh, oh, oh. Come on, gold.
Come on, Thomas.
Nice, Thomas.
Again.
Trust me, brother. Who made some money today?
Yes. Hell yeah.
It's still on the market.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Thomas.
We went all in, Thomas.
Oh, good day. Alright, keep pushing up, baby. Come on. Sam, are you having your buys ready?
Yeah, mate, I'm doing well, thank you.
At least, finally, Sam is making money. After blowing 3 accounts. Shout out to Sam. Yeah.
Hi,
Great job, Sam. Good job.
Hi,
But
guys.
how on earth is possible that 421 people, 430 people watching the stream, making money, yet only 200 press the like button? Guys, I'm going to close down the stream and leave it only for members. It's disrespectful, isn't it, Sam?
Come on, guys.
100%.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Hey, how are you, Thomas? How are you?
Hey, how you doing, mate?
Everything is cool, man.
In
So I
profit?
haven't. Yeah, I'm in small buys, you know, because I don't want to trade the next 1 week. I said it also in Discord. I did good money on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Just made one thing, Euro cut. What are you thinking about Euro Canadian dollar? It looks pretty promising, and the risk reward is
Yeah,
pretty
it's
huge.
you guys coming up with the, you know, the least traded pairs. I do. So it's hard to give
Yeah.
on the spot a full analysis live when you know, I don't trade. But I look at it next week. But I don't really
Okay,
trade
perfect.
EuroCAD.
Yeah, it's like a swing trade also. Next week is totally fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going,
And
guys. Wish everyone
183
good
pips
luck.
profit. Very good.
Whoa, let's fucking go.
Oh man.
Oh.
Come on.
Why did I close?
Insane.
Oh, no.
Really, really good catch. Good catch.
Whoa! Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice, Thomas.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Nice, Thomas.
Thank you very much.
Thomas, are you available tonight?
Nice.
Thomas, are you available tonight?
What am I doing tonight?
Oh,
Yeah, I want to take you out.
You want to take me out? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
We all want to
Oh,
take you
whoa,
out,
whoa, whoa. It's going to hit my take profit. I need to move my take profit. Oh my god.
Dude, like, what the fuck is going on? US session don't even opened yet.
But I placed a buy.
Thank you for the Friday.
Thomas.
Wine, dine, and
US
69.
30 dropped crazy too.
Yep, exactly as I expected, exactly as I said. But I think today gold is
Didn't
paying the
catch
bills.
It, but the gold
Yeah,
paid
gold
every
is really
single
paying
day
the bills.
today. So nice, Thomas. Thank you.
You're very welcome. So, running in 400 pips profit. Ladies and gentlemen, perfect ending of the week. I hope you made some money today, because this is fantastic.
Thank you.
Today is
You're
not a day.
welcome. It's going to pay for your breakfast tomorrow for sure.
Thank you very much, Thomas.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Thomas.
I'm at
Let's
work and
not
I've just
stop.
Keep moving the take
Thank you,
profits
Thomas.
higher.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Thomas.
You're
Thomas.
welcome.
Thomas, my
Damn.
Apple Watch gave me an alert that my heart rate is high. What the fuck?
Deep breath, deep breath.
Oh
She's gonna
god.
keep climbing. She's gonna keep climbing.
I'm done for the week, guys.
I'm down for the month, but it's time to lock in some profits, ladies and gentlemen. Enough of the, you know, celebrations. Make sure you lock in some profit. Don't leave it on the table, okay?
Yeah.
So locked in majority of the positions, because gold will come back down to 1830. Hopefully not.
That was amazing. I rode Euro USD down and then I caught the bounce back up with gold as well.
Nice.
Thomas, you killed it today, seriously.
I did.
Yeah.
And I'm proud of it.
Yeah, very good.
Market wizard. The market wizard.
No, it's just luck.
No, man.
Yeah, it's a local preparation.
There's a lot of preparation because we went through exactly. You saw on Discord. Who read the memo I sent out?
I did.
Yeah, mate, it's good.
Hey, Nick, welcome back.
Mate, it's going. Yeah, awesome. Thanks. Some nice profits. Cheers, mate.
Excellent. So, let me see. Yeah, on Discord, I sent out a full macroeconomic analysis about what to expect on CPI. This is for the members, and also a full technical analysis lining up with my fundamental analysis. Everything was sent out before the move. You know, I'm by education, but I'm an economist and I traded before, so it's, you know, CPI is one of the easiest to trade. It works like magic. Not always, but usually it does. And now running in 420 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, all. Thank you, Thomas. Great call there.
Thank you,
also
Thomas.
Involved in
You're
that goal there, Thomas.
Thank you.
Had some mic issues here. I'm not sure whether you guys can hear me, but yeah, thank you very much for that.
You're welcome. You're welcome, mate. Are you going offline now?
I'm sorry. What was that? Sorry.
Are you going offline now? You finished work?
No, not working today. I did a bit of. I'm an engineer by trade. Just only work only a few days doing consulting. But yeah, getting into my late time zone here on a Friday night here down under.
Nice.
Thomas?
Yes, chef.
You know, I went into the MFF.
Yeah.
And last week, already hit the target.
Amazing.
With these trades today, I just got the 8% in less than a week.
Less than a week. Wow.
Yeah.
Some great, definitely great results.
Thanks to you.
Hey, Tomas, just the day that passed me a challenge account on FTMO and I have verification on FTMO and a challenge on my Forex funds.
Sorry, can you? I had difficulty hearing.
I said just from today, it passed me a challenge on my Forex funds and a verification on FTMO.
The verification. Wow. So you are a funded trader now.
Yeah, well, we'll be. I got 8 more days now on verification. Just to
Mate, you're gonna smash it. Just open small lots every single day and close it down immediately.
Yeah, we'll do.
Wow, congratulations, mate.
Bye-bye.
See you, Raul.
See you, buddy.
Bye-bye.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, Raul.
Thomas, is your US30 still open?
My what?
Your US30.
My US 30. No, I closed it down before the stream.
Okay.
I closed it down, but what is happening with US 30? Is it dropping hard? Oh man, well, you know, it's sad. But at least we made money on gold, so I would rather close down US 30 in profit than risk it of losing it.
Yeah, true.
Oh man, that was awesome on gold. Thank you, Tom's. That's made my month actually. That's very
excellent.
Yeah, sometimes I miss them, but you know, there's no rush into this. You know, it's all good.
I'm really happy that you guys finally, you know, May and June was really tough, but it looks like we're finally back. So yeah, I think we're done for the day. I hate to say this, but I'm done for the day. I've done my job, which is delivering analysis and you know, some forecast to you guys. But make sure that you lock in some profits because gold could return to 1830, so don't leave it on the table. And I wish everyone a profitable, no, actually a relaxing trading. What? I can't even speak. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, and next week a profitable trading week. Okay.
Yeah, I need to cool down my heart rate now. Thank you so much, Thomas.
See you guys. Thanks, Thomas.
See you guys. Have a good day.
Next week.
Bye.
Pick up the alpha wolf.
Thank you, Thomas.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you,
Ciao,
Thomas.
ciao.
Have a great weekend, all. Take care.
Bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen on YouTube, I hope you made some money today, because I think everyone made money today. If you want to join the Alpha community, you can do so by going to the link in the YouTube chat, I do the same kind of full analysis to the members. So I do the macroeconomics. I'm a trained economist and I used to work in finance as a trader, and I deliver, you know, daily macroeconomic analysis and research about what to expect in the market. So I do preparation in the morning, 8 a.m. to let you on your way. I give setups, analysis. If you want to receive it, then all you have to do is go to the link I posted into the YouTube chat now, or go to the website alphafx.eu, and you can become a member of the Alpha community. I wish you a relaxing trading day, and see you all next week, Monday or Tuesday. We'll let you know and post it. If you want to get some updates, make sure you sign up to my Telegram, which is below the video. Make sure you sign up. I wish you a good trading day and a relaxing weekend. This is the Alpha FX.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
All right, so position is still running in over 380 pips. Now, many people messaged me about how to join the community. All you have to do, guys, is go to the website and you can sign up for the waiting list, or just go to my Telegram, which I posted a link, and this is how you can join. And the memberships will be closed for a month, so you can join now or join in August. There will be no membership open in the month of June. No, actually July you can join, but anyway, for a month I'm closing down memberships, so use the link within the YouTube chat. See you all.